Hello everyone, welcome to our new video, and today we're diving into an exciting comparison between Koala Writer and ChatGPT. Those are one of the best AI tools to make money online for content creators and bloggers. If you're eager to know which tool might be best fit for your online making strategies, don't forget to go to the description down below or the pinned comment where I left the links for both platforms so you can try them totally for free. So let's start with Koala Writer. Koala Writer is specifically designed for content creation. It is user-friendly and tailored for bloggers, marketers, and writers. What makes Koala Writer stand out is its focus on producing high quality, engaging written content. It is great for creating blog posts, articles, and even marketing copies. Plus it has SEO tools that are integrated with it, which is a big win if you're looking to boost your website's search engine ranking. Now into ChatGPT. ChatGPT developed by OpenAI, which is a powerhouse in the AI world. It is very well known, it's versatile, and can handle a variety of tasks beyond just content creation. It excels in generating human-like text, which is useful for everything from writing articles to crafting emails and even coding. Its ability to understand and generate text based on context make it incredible and incredibly powerful for a wide range of applications. Which one is the best for making money online? Well, it depends on your needs. If your primary focus on content creation, especially blogging or SEO focused tasks, Koala Writer might be more apt for you. It will streamline for your purpose and offer tools specifically for optimizing your content for search engine. However, if you're looking for versatility and a broader range of applications, ChatGPT could be the winner. Its ability to adapt to different tasks make it a great all-rounder. Whether it's engaging in customer service conversations, generating code, or assisting with language translations, ChatGPT can handle it all. In conclusion, both Koala Writer and ChatGPT offer fantastic opportunities for making money online, but the best choice depends on your specific needs. Koala Writer, as I said again, is excellent for dedicated content creation and SEO, while ChatGPT offers a broader range of applications with its advanced conversational abilities. Don't forget to go to the description or the pinned comment where I provided both links for the platform so you can try it totally for free. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you on our next tutorial.